Hey guys, what's going on? Sound Killer here, and today I'm gonna bring you a very cool bass tutorial, space laces style bass. So I was experimenting a bit with Serum and I found some really cool basses that sounds somewhat like space laces. I do gotta make a disclaimer, I don't listen much to space laces. I did listen to Voltage number 3, so I have a bit of reference, but anyways, enough talking. Let's get started with making some basses. So I'm gonna start by just using this basic saw. I'm gonna use the concept of a basic joy to make this bass. It's gonna be a bit of an interesting bass, starting with the sub here. I'm gonna add some detune with Serum. Very cool. Now I'm gonna add a filter. I'm gonna add this little LFO here. Something like that sounds cool. I want to also have a bass here, a sub. My bad. I'm gonna add some white noise as well with this. It's not sounding as interesting yet. Sounds very opaque. It's part of the initial sound design. I'm gonna add also spectral here, wavetable. Something like that sounds pretty cool. We could bend it. I don't know. That barely does any difference. But now what's gonna make this very special for the space thesis style bass is having this down sample. Something like that, very piercing on the high end. I'm gonna add a automation here to the mix. I'm gonna add some multi-band compression. I'm gonna add here some stereo with this. I want to add also some delay, but I want to make it tonal delay, so I'm gonna I want to also add a filter to this. Not so aggressive. Something like that works pretty well. So now I'm gonna process it real quick by adding some multi-T. Some EQing. So I want to remove the stereo from the sub by using a mid-side EQ. I want to remove some of this mid-high area, as well as this area right here. Not too much. Now I want to slightly saturate it. I like using Saturn. It's a very nice saturator. Any saturator will work. And then I'm gonna distort it, and I like using the Fruity Wave Shaper, which is a really nice distortion module. It makes it really crunchy. It makes it really crunchy, and then I can adjust here some settings. So I can start like adjusting tiny parameters in the Serum now that drastically changes tone. Especially with the bit crushing here. As well as with the detune. So there we have it, a quick and easy video on doing Space LACES style basses. Hope you guys found this interesting. I was experimenting. This was the earlier version that I did before recording the tutorial. Quite similar, but I did adjusted some different parameters in this one, so it sounds a bit different. I can see this was a bit more aggressive. Not too sure what's creating this more interesting tone, but that's how I did it. Hope you guys found the interesting new sound design technique. Anyways, thanks for watching. This was Soundkiller, and until next time.